The calf roll is up next, and we want to take an open diamond underneath the leg so that the knee's got a little bit of flexion in it, and we're supporting the front of the ankle with our thigh. Okay, there are other ways to set this up. If open diamond is not comfortable for you, you can set up some blankets or bolsters or whatever you've got. But we're going to get into the calf here, or the calf muscles, okay? And a couple of things that we're going to go through is the calf roll, and then I'm also going to show you a little bit of percussion here for the calf muscles. For the calf roll, think similar action to your rolling pin, where you use the more proximal portion of your forearm. You settle in with your palm facing down. You find a nice little bit of tension there. And then you can begin to slowly roll your palm to face up. Now, because there are two heads of the calf muscles here, it means that as you explore, you can change the angle a little bit of your forearm. So if you dip more towards the inside, that's getting you the medial head of the gastrocs. If you dip more towards the outside, that's getting you more of the lateral head of the gastrocs. Both are great to explore. You can also, as well as providing your roll here, you can pause on certain spots that you feel like might be a little bit more tense. Waiting for some kind of a change. This is one of the few ways that we get into the calf muscles in a Thai-inspired manual therapy context. So especially for those clients of yours who are a bit more active, the ones who walk more or who run, they're going to really appreciate some time here. You could also switch out your forearms. You could change the forearm that you're using. That'll help you to change the angle a little bit, getting more towards the lateral head of the calf muscles. Just like all of our work, we're pausing with pressure applied and we're waiting for some kind of a change in the density or response of the tissue. So there's quite a nice amount to explore here, and then I'm going to show you a percussion where our normal percussion is sort of chopping in towards the tissue. For this one, you can still do some of that here on the calf muscles, and that's still going to feel really nice. But what I'm also going to show you is kind of like you flipping the heads of the muscle in towards the center, more using the more distal knuckles. Okay, so also getting a little bit of that sort of flicking action of the heads of the calf muscles in towards the center. You could occasionally then add in a little bit of a regular chop and then an occasional flicking in. You can alternate between those. Really nice way to get some good vibrations going through this whole area. Just like any time we provide some percussion or chopping, we're going to do it for at least 30 seconds, just to make it, just to get people past that phase of it being sort of energizing and awakening, and help them settle into more relaxation. And then you can slow that down and sweep it out. And then we're going into